Hi everyone, welcome to day one of Find Out What You're Made Of, a 21-day journey. Your practice is going to be in a separate post or email that gets sent to you today, but I want to talk to you about commitment before we get started. So in the next 21 days, most of our practices are going to be 10 minutes or less. And it may seem to you like we're not getting a whole lot done in 10 minutes. In fact, it might even start to seem to you like it's a little bit of a throwaway time. And you're definitely going to hear that self-talk that will try to convince you that you can do it later in the day or that it doesn't really matter if you skip a day. And first of all, I want to address the fact that we're practicing. We're practicing making ourselves a priority. We're practicing fitting this into our lives. That's why it's called a practice. And so it is okay if you miss a day here and there, or if you don't do what you said that you were going to do, as long as you get back up and you try again. However, there's something really powerful about starting out this next 21 days, making a firm commitment to yourself. So that's what I want to ask you to do. I want to ask you to make a commitment to yourself. Commit to practicing 10 minutes a day, every single day, for the time that we're together for over the next 21 days. Now, I find that when I pick a particular time of day and say that's when my practice is going to happen, I'm much more likely to succeed in practicing rather than waiting to see if I've got enough time at the end of the day. That's sort of playing into the idea that we put ourselves last. I'll get to myself when I have time. Now, if that's what happens, that's what happens. It's not that big of a deal. But I find it very powerful to just pick a particular time of day and put a boundary around that and say, that's when I'm going to practice. Even more so, it can be super helpful to, when you're making a commitment, to actually tell somebody that you're making this commitment. You can do other things to kind of put it out into the universe too. You can state something in the Facebook group, or you can talk to your partner in life, or you can talk to your friends that are supporting you through this practice and let them know I'm making a commitment over the next 21 days to practice for 10 minutes a day. Sorry, you can practice for 20 minutes too. You could also even tell them, if you've picked a particular time of day, I'm going to practice at 9 a.m., or I'm going to practice as soon as I wake up in the morning, or I'm going to practice as soon as I go to bed at night. It's pretty powerful. You could also try writing a letter to yourself, or write out a contract if you want to. You can even decorate it with stickers if you want to. I love stickers. I love using stickers to help me celebrate when I've done something. So if you want to write out a commitment to yourself and put a calendar next to your bed, or hang it up somewhere where you can see it, and put stickers every time you practice, that can be really lovely. So I invite you to make a commitment to yourself over the next 21 days. I'd love it if you'd leave a comment in the comments section that lets me know how you're going to make this commitment to yourself. Are you going to write out a contract? Are you going to tell a friend? Are you just going to tell me in the comments, I'm making a commitment to myself? Let me know if you pick a time of day that you'd like to practice. That helps us too, to go ahead and state that for the record. I'm picking this particular time of day. See how powerful that is to make that commitment to yourself. As I said, the practice will be a separate post, so it's about 10 minutes long. It's called a body scan, and I hope that you'll enjoy it. But for this video and for this practice, try leaving a comment or telling somebody else, send someone else an email and let them know that you're making a commitment to yourself. Thank you so much, and I will see you in our practice together.